I think emotional health is the foundation of a healthy human, and it's the foundation of a healthy society. And so if we want a society that functions in a way for the highest good of everybody, we should be more concerned about our emotional intelligence. 1 out of 5 kids in the US experience a mental emotional behavioral health disorder. That number is doubled for Black and brown children. So you can see there's like a very large gap, a very large access gap. And so it is so important for us that we're filling in the gap. And that was sort of the beginning of my journey and what led me to technology as a vehicle for this greater mission to transform society by helping people gain access to self-regulation tools. We actually did a study of the American Heart Association. And then once we learned as much as we could from the pilot study, we started to go further. That's the really wonderful thing about technology. It's a tool that you can leverage, and it's also scalable. So it helps us to scale emotional wellness.
The support has been incredible, not just the capital that they've assisted us with, but allowing us to better understand how to capture metrics, to see the impact that we're making in the community through a different lens.
You're a first-time founder, you're doing something that you've never done before, and the chances of success are slim. And then you add to that the fact that in the United States, women only receive 3% of VC funding in the startup space. And then you add to that a Black woman, where Black women only receive 0.32% of all funding. What the Social Impact Fund from American Heart Association did was like a lifeline for us. It's what enabled us to keep pushing forward.
I am most proud that we have a solution to a problem that so many schools are facing. Our primary form of communication is through language. And so giving students access to be able to enjoy the resources in their native tongue will give them a deeper understanding of the emotions and also help them articulate their feelings a lot easier.
Getting the backing of the American Heart Association says something to other investors. It says this is a viable company that is worth investing in. The ultimate summit for us is to take this product as far as it can go. And for me, that means that every child, everywhere, whatever language that they speak, can have access to an emotional and mental health wellness resource in their pockets. That's why we exist.